Welcome back to Almost DIY, where we explore every tool for quick and simple projects. Today, we are unboxing super handy tool designed for instant use, a portable sewing machine. Now, this isn't for heavy-duty professional sewing, but it is perfect for those quick, men's and small sewing projects around the house. Whether you are stitching lightweight fabrics or making quick adjustments on the go, this tool is all about convenience and speed. So stick around as we unbox, test and see just how practical this little machine can be for your next DIY project. It has a safety lock on top of the machine to prevent accidental damage. Then you can easily insert the bobbin like this. Then insert the thread into the wheel. This step is a bit tricky. Insert the thread like this. Finally, we can insert the thread into the needle. Now all the preparations are complete and we can start sewing.